What used to take us 3 days to print would ultimately take 3 weeks to inspect. There's been times when we've run jobs on our presses that are extremely small type, condensed into a very, very small area. And these are hard for the pressman to pick up. It's been a challenge over the last 3 to 5 years now to stay competitive in the market. Customers want to have a great product with zero defects, quality, at the cheapest price. We knew that we weren't just a cookie cutter operation, and we wanted to be able to have some specialty. We wanted to do 100% video inspection.
What's really unique is the depth of technology that Winpak is employing in this facility.
You don't really get a lot of that vision system technology on presses. Every job that we run here now is put through that, regardless of whether it's only 100 foot or it's 100,000 feet.
Well, the technology is great because we're running at higher speeds and we're trying to cut waste down.
So what we did is we took our 3-day print time and then turned it into only about a week's worth of inspection time. And it saved us thousands of dollars. It cut our deliveries in half. It made our company much better. I think still some of the opportunities are out there for specialized packaging, and that's where Winpak really is innovative.